Welcome back to the second video in the series explaining exactly what a cryptocurrency is. Today we're going to be talking about the tokens themselves. Some examples of tokens would be BTC in the Bitcoin network, ETH in the Ethereum network, or XRP in the Ripple network. So there are a few different types of tokens. There are intrinsic tokens, and these are the most common tokens and what we're mostly going to be talking about today. And then there are asset-backed tokens. These would be any tokens that are backed by an asset, similar to how the US dollar used to be. When it was actually backed by gold, you went, you put your gold somewhere, and then you got an IOU that said you own this much gold in a bank. These asset-backed tokens are much less common in the crypto space, but they can exist. And you can literally make a token backed by anything you want. Gold, diamonds, music, chairs, it doesn't matter. You can make a token for it. As I said though, most cryptocurrencies use an intrinsic token-based system. So that's what we are going to cover in this video. To put it simply, all an intrinsic token is a made-up token that is backed by nothing. The only value of these tokens comes from supply and demand. This is very similar to how the US dollar now works. These tokens are created to reward miners and or create transaction costs. I know what you're thinking. Why would you want to create transaction costs? Well, actually, these transaction costs can also be used to pay miners, or they can be used to reduce spam on the network. As I said before, examples of these intrinsic tokens would be Bitcoin's BTC, Ethereum's ETH, and Ripple's XRP, where Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Ripple are the network, and BTC, ETH, and XRP are the intrinsic tokens. BTC is used to pay miners and create transaction costs. ETH is used to pay miners and create computational costs. And XRP is used to create transaction costs. Okay, so that's all for today, guys. I really wanted this intrinsic token video to be its own separate entity because I feel like this is a really important part of what a cryptocurrency is, and it's really important to get a full grasp on this. So if you didn't fully understand it, rewatch the video, play it back, and if you still don't understand it, don't worry, it's all going to tie together, I promise. Tomorrow we're going to be covering mining, and you'll really want to see this video if you're interested in mining or if you really want to get a good grasp of what a cryptocurrency is. So make sure you subscribe to the channel so you get notified when the next video comes out, and give this video a big old thumbs up if you enjoyed it. I really appreciate it, guys, and I will see you guys tomorrow.